Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I will be unboxing the PinkBox for this month. Also in this video you will be getting the prices on every product, and at the end you will see the worth of the products, and I will be rating as well the box. Okay, so let's jump right into it. So we get a bit of information with the products and the prices of the products, and I think I said the word products maybe like 1,000 times, and just be ready to hear the word products a lot more. We have some great products, as you can see. Okay, so the first product that I have here are these lashes from Untitled. These are in the number 126. They come also with glue, and you can reuse them for 5 times, and they hold for 18 hours. So these ones retail for €6.99. Next we have this pore corrector from Fix and Rouge. This comes in 30 milliliters and retails for €42. This is quite pricey. So this brand is vegan and cruelty-free since 2006, and they say that this cream will leave your skin poreless with a beautiful matte effect. So the next product, it is a hair mask from Nature Box. This retails for €2.99 and comes in 60 milliliters. So I have used other products from them, mostly shower gels, and the smell is just amazing, and it will leave your skin like every time, super soft and very beautiful overall. So I think this hair mask will be quite quite of the same quality. So this one contains olive oil, and this is how it looks like, and it has a nice scent of olives actually. So I'm very excited to try this one out, and it will last to use it up to 3 times. Next we get another Nature Box product, and this is a shampoo bar. This comes in 85 grams and retails for €4.99. Next we get a shower gel from Trickle Moon, and this one comes in 375 milliliters and retails for €2.95. Now this is another great product. I've used a lot of their shower gels, and the same as Nature Box products, they are just amazing, and this bottle will last for ages, even if you shower like 2 or 3 times a day, trust me. So the next product that I have in this box, it is actually a beverage, and this is a tea, and it comes in 750 milliliters and retails for €1.95. Well, I cannot tell you much about this beverage. It's actually a green tea. It's supposed to drink it cold, and it has some sugar in it, and for 100 milliliters you get 35 calories. Okay, so now we have the last product in this box, and it will be a lip liner from Vera, and this one retails for €2.99. So I'll just swatch it and see the color, and this is a beauty. Look how beautiful this color is. It's quite nice. Okay, so for this box I am paying monthly about €13 and I believe 45 cents, something like that. And this month I've got products worth of €64.05. So I think this is quite a good deal. So I am rating this box with 5 out of 5 stars. I liked every single product. So I think this is everything for today's video. Let me know in the comments below if you guys liked it, and also which of the products you already tried. Let me know in the comments below. And before you leave, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe if you like my content. And yeah, I do hope to see you on my next video. Bye.